Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. So in the DILR set today, we are going to discuss a very good set on conditional arrangement. Okay, let's see what the set is. Set में वो हमें कह रहा है Coach Fletcher decided to sort the batting order of the country cricket team Nottinghamshire. The following were the broad guidelines on which he was going to decide the batting order. Okay, the 5 regular batsmen of the first 5 positions are Benham, Morris, क्रॉले, पॉटहेस एंड थॉर्नले. सो आपके पास कुछ कंडीशंस हैं और आपको ये 5 लोगों का बैटिंग ऑर्डर सेट करना है. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स सी व्हाट द कंडीशंस आर इन ऑर्डर टू सॉर्ट द थिंग्स. So it says Thornley does not bat at the second position neither. Okay, so there are 5 positions I know. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the 5 positions, right? कहता है if Thornley does not bat at second position, neither Potthass nor Crawley bat at second position. कि अगर Thornley second पे नहीं आ सकता तो ना ही Potthass आ सकता है ना ही Crawley आ सकता है, unless Benham bat at fourth. यानी कि अगर Benham fourth पे आएगा तो ये दोनों second पे आ सकते हैं, नहीं तो ये second पे नहीं आ सकते. कि अगर Thornley नहीं आ रहा तो ये भी नहीं आ सकते. ठीक है. If Morris bats at second position, then Thornley will bat at either first or third position. Okay. Now, before we move further into this set, remember one. Whenever you have a lot of negations involved, negative statements, or we always look out for the statements which will give us the maximum amount of information. हम हमेशा उन statements के पीछे जाएंगे जो हमें maximum information देगी, right? तो इस बात का ख्याल रखना आप. तो मॉरिस ठीक है हमें कुछ बता रहे हैं. थर्ड पॉइंट सेज if Benham does not bat at the first position, then Crawley will bat at the second position and Morris will bat at the fourth position. कि अगर Benham first position पे नहीं है तो Crawley है second पे और Morris है fourth पे. It is a very good statement to start with, right? Okay. If Potters does not bat at the third position in the batting order unless Crawley bats at the fifth position. ठीक है. Last statement says if Thornley does not bat at the first position, अगर Thornley first position पे नहीं है, then Morris will bat at the second position and Potters will bat at the fourth position. अब अगर मैं देखूं तो जो थर्ड और फिफ्थ स्टेटमेंट है ना, दे आर बोथ वेरी सेम इन नेचर, राइट? I can start with any of them because both of them are giving me something about 3 positions, right? Now, fifth position says if Thornley does not, so I am just randomly picking this. Okay, if this does not work, I'll have to go there. If Thornley does not bat at first position, ठीक है, हम Thornley को first पे bat नहीं कराते, then Morris will bat at second and Potthass will bat at fourth. तो आपका Morris आ गया second पे और Potthass आ गया fourth पे, right? अब थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इसके साथ वो भी फर्स्ट पोजीशन के रिलेटेड थी कि if Benham does not bat at first position, then Crawley will bat at second and Morris will bat at fourth. ठीक है, but now Crawley and Morris cannot bat here, which means Benham will have to bat here. So यहाँ पे Benham आ गया अपने पास. अब कौन कौन बचा अपने पास? T and so 2 people are left, T and C. Okay, now where will they go? The first point says if Thornley does not bat at second position, जो कि नहीं है, ठीक है, then Potthass nor Crawley goes at second position if Benham bats at fourth. So Benham is not at fourth, so this point is invalid right now. Okay. If Morris bats at second position, then Thornley will not bat at first or third. तो अगर हमारा Morris second पे है, जो कि है, then Thornley will not bat at first or third. तो Thornley यहाँ नहीं आ सकता. Thornley will come here. Now if Thornley is coming here, only one position is left for C, that is the position number 3. राइट, तो वो यहाँ पे आएगा अपने पास. ठीक है, तो दिस कंप्लीट्स माय वन ऑफ द सीक्वेंसेस. लेट्स सी कि अगर मैं इसको रिवर्स करता हूँ, इफ आई टेक द अदर वे अराउंड, व्हाट इज माय रिजल्ट. ठीक है, अगर मैं थर्ड पॉइंट से स्टार्ट करता हूँ तो मेरा क्या आता है? इफ Benham डज नॉट बैट एट द फर्स्ट पोजिशन. अब Benham अगर फर्स्ट पे नहीं है, ठीक है, नहीं डालते Benham को फर्स्ट पे, देन Crawley will bat at the second and Morris will bat at the fourth. Okay. ठीक है, अब इस केस में Thornley आ जाएगा because if Thornley was not at the first position, only then Morris will be at this and this. But since these are not there, so Thornley will be first, right? अगर Thornley first पे ना होता तो Morris second पे होता और Potthass fourth पे होता, लेकिन वो Morris और वो Potthass fourth पे नहीं है, तो हमारा जो Thornley होगा वो first पे होगा पक्का, right? Now these 2 points are taken care. Now let's see first. If Thomas does not bat at second position, neither Potts nor Crawley bat at. यानी कि अगर Thomas नहीं है तो C और B भी नहीं आ सकते until or unless Benham's bat at fourth. Benham is not batting at fourth, which means C cannot be there. Which means this arrangement is invalid now. So this arrangement is invalid, which leaves us only with one arrangement, BMCPT. So let's see what are the questions related to it. It says, in which position will Thornley bat? Thornley will bat at fifth position. Okay. Which player will bat at first? Benham will bat at first. Crawley cannot be there. Okay. Now for the last question, it says, Coach Fletcher discards the original guidelines. So nothing of this matters now. So nothing. So everything has to be cleared up. Coach Fletcher discards the original guidelines and is considering a new strategy for the first 7 positions. He wants to introduce 2 new players. So अब अपने पास 7 players हैं, right? Erwin and Kendall as pinch hitters in addition to 5 regular hitters. So ये 5 नए लोग आ गए हैं. The following conditions govern the new rules to be kept in mind while allocating the batting order. तो अब ये conditions के हिसाब से चलना है मुझे. These does not matter. Okay. First, they will never bat in top 2 positions. So first and second चली गई है. There will be at least one regular batsman between Erwin and Kendall. So E and K के बीच में at least one तो आएगा ही आएगा. Okay. If Erwin's bat at third position, Kendall will not bat in sixth position. So if Erwin is third, Kendall cannot be sixth. So Kendall can come here or here. So let's read the other points. Okay. If Erwin does not bat in fourth position, जो कि नहीं है, then Kendall will bat in third position. So this is itself a contradiction. ठीक है, क्योंकि एल्विन थर्ड पे नहीं है, फोर्थ पे नहीं है, तो केल्विन को आना चाहिए, तो नहीं होगा. ठीक है, डन. इसको हटा देते हैं. Okay, this is done. If Erwin does not bat in fourth position, Kendall will bat in third position. तो अगर मैं K को यहाँ रख दूं, can I place E somewhere else? Okay. If Erwin bats in fifth position, Kendall will not bat in seventh position. अब अगर मैंने K को यहाँ रखा है तो E can come here, here or here. These are the 3 places, right? If Erwin bats in fifth position, which is again नहीं वो हो गया. Okay, if Erwin bats in fifth position, Kendall will not bat in seventh position. तो मैं Erwin को यहाँ रख सकता हूँ. ठीक है, एक बार के लिए. Let's see. If Erwin bats in sixth position, Kendall will not bat in third or fourth. So अगर मैंने Erwin को sixth पे रख लिया तो Kendall third, fourth पे नहीं आएगा, which is anyway not possible. तो E यहाँ तो आ नहीं सकता. So अभी तक E के लिए एक ही जगह बची है. Erwin does not bat in fourth or seventh position. अब Erwin fourth पे नहीं आता और seventh पे आता ही नहीं है, which means Erwin can only come at fifth place. ठीक है, Erwin can only come at fifth place. So these are the 2 positions left for them. So if my question is asking me what are the 2 positions for Erwin and Kendall, so the positions are fifth and third positions. So these are the 2 positions. So this completes my set. So if you have observed, set was not difficult, but sometimes these negative statements conclude or give us a lot of wrong ideas. So the best way to do this is just starting with the points which give us maximum information, nothing else. Thank you so much for watching. Please do recommend to your friends. Thank you so much.